In the snowy realm of the North Pole, Santa Claus, with his twinkling eyes and rosy cheeks, was finalizing preparations for Christmas Eve. Every elf, reindeer, and even talking polar bears helped in the bustling Santa's workshop. Santa gathered his trusted team. Rudolph with his glowing red nose, Bella the brainy owl, and Max the mischievous squirrel. They needed extraordinary planning for this year's deliveries with a twist of educational magic. The days grew shorter and northern lights danced across the sky. Bella suggested, "Santa, let's teach kids about science this Christmas. Science can be magical too." Santa smiled, agreeing wholeheartedly. So, in the midst of toy making, Santa commissioned the elves to build special science kits. Telescopes for stargazers, chemistry sets for aspiring scientists, and robot building kits for future engineers. When the science gifts were ready, Santa gathered the children of the North Pole to witness a Christmas Eve lecture by Bella. She explained how Rudolph's nose could guide Santa's sleigh like a GPS using light and reflection. Max the squirrel, always sneaky, showed how levers made lifting presents easier by demonstrating with a tiny seesaw fashioned from twigs. With animals and elves wide-eyed, Bella soared into the night sky, illustrating gravity's role in keeping Santa safely grounded, or rather, airborne as needed, on his sleigh. On Christmas Eve, as snowflakes fell gently, Santa prepped the reindeer. Bella perched on the sleigh, holding blueprints of the world, marking each home with a special science surprise. In each house, Santa gently placed the educational gifts under the tree. The science kits seemed to sparkle in the glow of Christmas lights, waiting eagerly to be discovered. As Santa moved from house to house, dogs wagged their tails and cats purred, sensing the warm, educational cheer Santa spread. Bella took to the skies once more, sharing insights about aerodynamics and how they helped the sleigh cut through the winter skies smoothly. When delivering to a boy passionate about dinosaurs, Santa left a fossil excavation kit. "Who knows? You might find a new dinosaur species one day," Santa whispered. In a little girl's home who loved gardens, Santa left a small greenhouse kit. Max left a note. "Plants need sunlight, soil, and water. Grow them and they'll turn carbon dioxide into fresh air." Santa ensured each visit encouraged curiosity and sparkled with wonder, making science an enchanting experience for every child. With gifts delivered and the night nearing dawn, Santa made his way back to the North Pole, pondering the curiosity those science kits would ignite. Back home, as the sun rose over the snow-draped landscape, the elves and animals celebrated a job well done. Santa chuckled. Education is the brightest gift of all. And so, they awaited the letters, filled with stories of scientific discoveries around the world. Like and subscribe for more amazing stories.